Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Like I said, I did this 10 years at the IRS. I've been in private practice for 42 years. I'm an expert in IRS tax resolution matters. So thank you for listening. I only take a couple minutes to go through this. I just want you to know if you have unfiled tax returns, most people, because I was a former agent, I've interviewed thousands of people. Once people don't file 1 or 2 years, they just say, what the hell? They know they have this internal pressure on them, but it goes away, comes, goes, comes, goes. And that's probably you. If you're listening to this with unfiled returns, I've interviewed that many people. It's like you want to file, but you don't know what to do. That's where most of you are. I know that because I've summoned so many people. We've prepared this many tax returns. I know exactly what you're going through. And because I was a former agent, I know how to fix the problems that you have. You know, the first thing is you really do have to hire someone who knows what the hell they're doing. And you probably don't have good records. You don't know where to turn. Tax season comes, you see the ads. Oh my God, this is me. You want to put it aside. You're feeling bad. Listen, there's an easy process to get all your back tax returns filed because we know how to do that. That's what we do for a living. So if this is you and you haven't filed your back tax returns, I have done this thousands of times. And not only that, if you owe IRS debt, we will help you get back on track, either with a payment agreement, maybe putting you a hardship or settling your IRS debt. The whole key is you got to start filing, but you have to start getting current. You have to start saying, okay, this is the day I want to start. So get the nervousness out of you, get the fear out of you. If you turn this over to someone who knows what the hell they're doing, you're not going to have that fear anymore. That's us. Give me a subscription if you would. I don't know why we always have to ask for subscriptions. They just say do it, so I'm doing it. Thank you very much. I appreciate your ear today.